is 9th of July 2021. Here's Tupavuori 3, staircase V. Kulosaari, Brände, Helsinki, Finland. And this must have been built clearly with the metro in mind, as it should have been opened in August 1977. But this was built in 1978, early 1978, shortly after that. But the metro opening was delayed by 5 years, sadly. But still, they built this already, and the serial number here is VS5186, and it will be inspected in next year, 2022, with 5 floors. And in this residential building, we have to film only the sticky C, which is left to be filmed, and then we have all of them with the code.
Yeah.
No, it's maintained by Spaghetti and inspected by QA inspector. It's very interesting that they chose Sophia's here, because ValmetSchlieren made metro trains, so they chose also the Tampere elevator manufacturer, ValmetSchlieren also.
Yeah.
Right here. Maybe the same planning bureau made this also, or is this one of those buildings?
Yeah.
Don't take locals, of course, in the 1960s, a lot of housing in East Helsinki, almost everything, but this clearly is absolutely related to the